Another heavy rainfall again? It's been 4 weeks now. Well, because the owner of this town loves rainy city. I'm tired of just staying here inside. He should change the weather to sunny day.
I know you so well, so well. I mean, I can't pretty. I know you so well, so well. I mean, I can't.
I can't remember myself playing this music. Who turned it on? I am the only one in this house. Maybe I just forgot that I turned this on before cleaning the house? Never mind.
Hello. As you can see, I'm too old now. I have sick and my daughter is taking care of me. But I can still walk. I just need to rest for now in this comfy bed. You should take care of yourself too. So, this is my life for today.